Let's now learn how to solve two-step linear inequalities in one variable. Alright, so our first example is negative 9 plus 4x is greater than 23. We will solve this and then graph. So the first step in solving two-step inequalities is one, we undo the addition or the subtraction. Okay, so as you can see in here, there is a subtraction here, the minus 9. I should begin from there. The opposite of a minus 9 is a positive 9. So I will put positive 9. If I do it on one side, you do it also on the other side. All right, and then with this line, a negative 9 plus 9 will be 0, so it will be crossed out. We bring down the 4x for the left side, and then bring down the symbol. 23 plus 9 is equal to a 32. All right, and then, so that's step 1. Step 2, because this is two-step equations, the second step is to undo the division or multiplication. So in here, 4x, it means 4 times x. So therefore, to undo a multiplication, we will divide by 4 to both sides. All right. Now, take note, in inequalities, there is a rule for division. If you're dividing by a negative number, if you see these negative numbers here, if you see these numbers to be negative, you have to flip the inequality. But for this example, you see the numbers are positive, so there's no need to flip that inequality. So we will just bring down the inequality symbol. This 4 will be crossed out, so you have x is greater than 32 divided by 4 is a positive 8. All right, and now we now graph this. So we just make the number line, and we look for a positive 8. Let's say this is positive 8. All right, and the symbol here, greater than, it means an open circle, and then to the right. So that's the graph. That's the answer in the graph. Our second example, we have 46 minus 5x is less than or equal to 21. We're going to solve this and graph. So again, step 1 is to undo addition or subtraction. So we first remove the number without the variable here, and see it's a positive 46. So to undo a positive 46, we need to subtract 46. So undo addition by subtraction to both sides. All right. So now 46 minus 46 will be 0, so it will be crossed out. We now bring down negative 5x. Don't forget, that's negative 5x. Bring down the symbol. 21 minus 46, it's a negative 25. Okay? That's step 1. Step 2 is to undo multiplication or division. So negative 5x means negative 5 times x. So that means we will undo by division. So divide both sides. And don't forget the rule, if you divide by this negative number, you need to flip the inequality. So from this symbol, it should be the opposite symbol. Okay, because we used this number at the bottom to be negative. Now, get rid of that negative 5. So on the left side, you have the x, and then the symbol, negative 25 divided by 5 is a positive 5. Okay, so the answer is x is greater than or equal to positive 5. And now we graph this. So we need the number line, and then we look for the number 5. Let's say this is number 5. The symbol greater than or equal to, it means an closed circle. I mean closed circle at positive 5 and going to the left. Right? So that's the graph.